Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Trying for Modesty. Today I am reviewing this cat scratcher couch, a modern and stylish scratcher for indoor cats. Let's see if it's worth buying. I ordered this cat scratcher couch from Amazon for rupees 599. The packaging was decent, but the back part was detached upon arrival. It has a stylish and modern design, large size, suitable for all cats, comes with free catnip and durable cardboard material, but the back part was open upon arrival. Now let's see if my cat likes it. I sprinkled the free catnip that comes with it, and well, she seems pretty interested. But apart from the back part is the taste, the cardboard quality feels sturdy and durable, and the design is really cute, like a tiny sofa for cats. Link to the product is in the description. That's all for today. See you in the next one.